Welcome, friends. Jawahar Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Kesapuri Camp, Majalgaon. 10th Standard, Subject English. Watch this video, be carefully. It's video of the young seagull. Now all of you look, be carefully. Then we want to discuss. Hello friends, good morning everybody. Myself Wale sir from Jawahar Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Kesapuri Camp, Majalgaon, working there as a English teacher. Today I would like to share you the ideas concerned with 10th class English language 1.5, his first flight. Actually, before the teaching this lesson, pre-reading activities are given here. First, we give preference to complete the activities given on page number 10 from chit chat activity. Let us start to continue. First activity, form group of 5 members. Your past days and share with your friends about memories of your first day at school or your first attempts to cooking. What role did your parents, sibling play to help to overcome your fear? म्हणजे 5 विद्यार्थ्यांचे आपणास गट करायचे आहेत आणि तुमचा जुना काळ तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी आठवायचा आहे. तुमच्या शाळेचा पहिला दिवस किंवा तुमचा स्वयंपाक करण्याचा पहिला प्रयत्न याविषयी ज्या आठवणी आहेत या आठवणी तुमच्या मित्रांना या ठिकाणी शेअर करायच्या आहेत. त्यांना त्यांच्यामध्ये सहभागी करून घ्यायचं आहे. तुमच्या आईवडिलांनी, भावंडांनी तुमची भीती घालविण्यासाठी कोणते सहाय्य तुम्हाला केलेले आहे हे या ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये दिलेले आहेत. त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आहे, आर देअर एनी सिच्युएशन व्हेन यू गेट अफ्रेड. म्हणजे वेअर देअर एनी सिच्युएशन व्हेन यू गेट अफ्रेड, जेव्हा तुम्ही घाबरलेले होता अशी परिस्थिती कधी पास्ट डेजमध्ये घडली का? यस, आन्सर इज यस. आय एम अफ्रेड ऑफ sleeping in dark at night, sometimes in cold fever, sometimes in lonely hall, etc. Answer will be there. Second question, how would you react if you had to travel alone? When you travel alone, हाऊ डू यू रिॲक्ट? समजा तुम्ही एकटे प्रवासी आहात आणि त्यावेळेला तुम्ही कशी प्रतिक्रिया द्याल? तेव्हा आय वूड बी ग्रेटली डिस्टर्ब्ड अँड डिप्रेस्ड देअर. वी कुड नॉट रिॲक्ट टू अनदर पीपल. ॲक्च्युअली वी आर डिप्रेस्ड अँड डिस्ट्रेस्ड देअर. ॲक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 3, how would you react if you have to stay alone at home? म्हणजे जेव्हा तुम्ही तुमच्या घरी एकटे असाल तेव्हा तुम्ही कशी प्रतिक्रिया द्याल, कसे रिॲक्ट व्हाल. आय वुड बी अफ्रेड ऑफ सेईंग अलोन ॲट होम अँड बिकम uneasy and endlessly think that something untoward will happen when I am alone at home. Answer should be there. Last question, number 4. What would you do if you were lost in a new city? It is very interesting question and very valuable. When we lost म्हणजे काय सांगितलं या क्वेश्चनमध्ये, व्हॉट वुड यू डू, तुम्ही काय कराल जेव्हा, जर इफ यू वर लॉस्ट इन द न्यू सिटी, एखाद्या नवीन शहरामध्ये तुम्ही हरवलेले आहात, तर तुम्ही काय कराल. आन्सर विल बी देअर. यू विल राईट द आन्सर. कॉन्टॅक्ट टू आवर पॅरेंट्स, ब्रदर, सिस्टर or relatives, and then we will call to the police station. Then we save ourselves, we secure ourselves. The responsible person, we will say him or her, please contact my parents because I have lost here. You will say such kinds of reviews in the question number 4. Activity number 2, complete the following table. Now see on page number 10, there is given one table and there are 3 columns. First is Adams means money, meaning म्हणजे अर्थ, and your own sentence म्हणजे तुमचे स्वतःचे वाक्य. Adams दिलेली फर्स्ट, बर्ड्स आईज व्ह्यू. याचा मीनिंग काय पहा, व्ह्यू फ्रॉम समवेअर हाय, उंचीवरून कुठून तरी पाहणे. आणि वी विल मेक डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ sentences. We enjoyed the bird's eyes view from the top of the mountain. We enjoyed the bird's eyes from the roof of the house, etc. Then second question, as free as bird, meaning is he or she, if he or she is carefree. Your own sentence will be, after finishing her exam, she will be as free as a bird. After complete your exam, you will be free as a bird. Then next, eagle's eyes, meaning is his ability to observe something closely, close look. Your own sentence, the detective was watching every move of the thief with his eagle's eyes. Cat see be carefully to his eagle's eyes. Watch carefully in the house, to be carefully, to be eagles like as eagle's eyes. And last point is spread one's wings, meaning to try to work on things independently. Dependently is the opposite word of independently. Dependently म्हणजे अवलंबून असणे, independently म्हणजे अवलंबून नसणे. After getting his training in paper making, Kumar spread his wings to start his own paper mill. Okay, then last activity is given on page number 10. Find more such items using the following keyword. you find out the another Adams, काही इतर म्हणी ज्या आहेत त्या म्हणी तुम्ही या ठिकाणी लिहायच्या आहेत. मग त्या फ्लाय, ॲनिमल, कलर याच्याशी संबंधित असाव्यात, त्या तुम्हाला कंप्लीट करायच्या आहेत. अँड देन सेंड ऑन माय व्हॉट्सअप दॅट answer key. Okay, so friends, you will be understand better here from my video, from seeing on page number 10, which is your the textbook which is your in front of yours. That's why we easily complete our activity here. So friends, you use another materials. Diksha use materials such as Diksha app, माझी Shala app, and then YouTube channel. You watch different videos to detect the meaning of the lesson. His first flight is the story. So we will stop here. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye bye. See you again.